umthakathi ungatshelwanga umuntu. Don't take it light. Ungayibona into eyenza ukuthi umndeni wakho ume ndawonye. Don't take fasting light. When we call for fasting, it is an awakening. Fasting is not for us to go on a shopping spree. Fasting is alignment. Yila siqonda khona sijwayele intando kaNkulunkulu, and once we align, we will not pray amiss. We'll pray direct. We are a church that has lost so much because of carelessness. Abekho abantu aba miserable njengabazalwane. Abekho abantu abaphila under lack njengabazalwane. They are not poor, but they lack. Because they are casual with their life. They take the things of God lightly. Colossians chapter 2, lithi Bhayibheli kungabikho umuntu ozonimuqa lento uKristu anenzela yona. But the church seems to be losing every day. People are losing finances. People are losing joy. People are losing happiness. People are losing health, when we are supposed to be telling people ukuthi inyanga enkulu ikhona yila kudliwa khona amaphilisi in the house of the Lord. Because the enemy has crept in. Indlela angene ngayo wangena wenza abantu babande babe lukewarm, bathatha izinto zikaNkulunkulu for granted. Now there's a danger when you don't know what the Lord has given you. Genesis 25. Please read for us the 29.